The early spring is really helping, Jessie. Yes, I think the grounds will make a full recovery.
Edgar hooked his long thumbs, complete with out-of-control nails, into the band of his bright purple sweatpants. Mr. Tom, the butler/property manager/misguided life coach, had finally gotten tired of buying bleach and had changed the color of our house sweats from white to purple, an ode to my gargoyle form, and also a color
Audible.
that didn't show bloodstains as well.
Brilliant
Why
audio.
Edgar needed sweats at all was beyond me. He rarely changed form,
My
and even
Evil
when he
Mother,
did,
an
he
Amazon
became a
original
swarm of
story
insects,
by
and his
Margaret
clothes
Atwood,
magically
performed
changed
by
with
Hillary
him.
Huber.
But I'd learned the hard way not to question the logic of the original Ivy House team. Their
You're
answers
so
were likely to give
evil,
you brain bubbles.
I said to my mother.
I surveyed
I
the
was
colorful
15,
blooming
the talkback
flowers from my
age.
position at the
I
back
take
corner
that
of
as
the
a
yard.
compliment, she
They
said.
were
Yes, I'm
everywhere,
evil, as others
crowding
like
the
to
side
find
of the
that term,
house,
but
pushing
I
up to the
use my
edges of
evil
the vivid
powers only
green
for
grass,
good.
lining the
Yeah,
hedge maze
tell me
Edgar
another,
kept insisting I
replied.
wander into for a
We
few
were having
hours
an
of
argument
fun,
about my new
and
boyfriend,
now popping
Brian.
up between the trees at
Anyway,
the edge of the woods.
who gets to say what's good?
I knew there were just as many
My mother
flowers on
was
the
in the
other
kitchen,
side of the house,
grinding
and
something
scores
in
of
her
them
mortar.
swarming the front.
She often ground things
Even
in
if he
her
hadn't
mortar,
insisted
though
I take a
sometimes
tour
she
with
used the
him to check
mixmaster.
out the grounds,
If I
the sheer
said,
volume
"What's that?"
was hard to
she
miss.
might say garlic
Yeah,
and parsley,
they're
and
really
I'd know she
coming
was
along.
in joy of cooking mode.
I chose my
But
next
if she
words
said,
carefully.
"Look the other
Edgar
way,"
didn't
or
take
"What you
criticism
don't know
well.
won't hurt
A
you,"
couple of
or
months
"I'll
ago,
tell you
he'd
when you're old
unwittingly
enough,"
let a
I'd
dangerous
realized
person
there
onto
was
the
trouble in
ground.
store for
And now he
someone.
kept suggesting I retire
She was
him
ahead
every
of her
time he
time
made a
with
tiny
garlic.
misstep.
I feel compelled to
Retirement
mention.
for a
Most
vampire
people in our kind
was
of
death.
neighborhood hadn't
The
found
guy
out
kept
about
trying
it
to
yet.
get me to
Our
kill
neighborhood
him.
was on the northern
Did you
margin
buy
of
out the
Toronto,
flower store?
one of many cities that were
no,
rapidly
Jessie, don't be
expanding over
silly.
farm
I
fields
don't
and drained
buy
swamps,
flowers.
wreaking
I grow
havoc with
them.
the vole
I
populations
did buy
and
out their
flattening
seeds, though.
burdocks
I
as they
wanted
went.
to make sure I had enough.
Out of the bulldozed mud
I
had
think
sprouted
you do.
post-war
Have enough,
split levels
that
in
is.
tidy rows,
Yes,
each with a
that's
picture
the
window,
other thing I wanted
ranch
to talk
style,
to you about.
with flat roofs that hadn't
I
yet
wanted to
begun
work
to
on my
leak in the
preparedness.
winters.
You know,
Those who lived in
prevent
these
another
houses were young
goldfish
moderns
situation.
with children.
He hung his head
The
a little.
fathers had
The
jobs,
goldfish
the
was
mothers
depressed
not.
anyway, Edgar.
My mother was an
Probably.
anomaly. No
And no
visible
one blames
husband,
you for
no job
accidentally
exactly,
killing it.
though she did seem to have a
Granted,
means of support.
yes, when
Our
you were
kitchen
changing
was
the water,
large
you
and
probably
sunlit,
should have known to
with a
take the fish
canary
out of the
yellow
sink
linoleum
before
floor,
pulling up the
a
drain
breakfast
stopper,
nook,
but
and
mistakes
a white
happen.
dresser with rows
You
of blue
didn't
plates
need
and
to get me the
bowls.
fish in the
My
first
mother
place.
had a thing for
Sometimes
blue
it
and
wasn't
tableware.
easy
She
to
said
keep
it
from
warded off any
criticizing.
evil eyes intent
well,
on
be
ruining
that
the
as it
food.
may.
His eyes
Her
drifted
eyebrows
across
were
the
plucked
many
into two
types and colors of
incredulous arches,
flowers,
as was
seemingly
almost
planted with
still the
no
fashion.
rhyme or
She
reason
was
as to
neither
overall
tall nor
yard
short,
design.
neither plump
I'm
nor
not one
thin.
to point
In everything,
fingers,
she
and
took
I
care
am
to
a
imitate
firm
the third
believer
choice
in
of
innocent
Goldilocks.
until
Just
proven
right.
guilty. But
That day she was wearing a
wonder-
flowered apron,
He ran a
tulips
fang
and
across his
daffodils,
bottom lip.
over a
He'd
shirtweight
stopped
dress
retracting
with
them
small
altogether.
white and
We had
pastel
no
green
idea
stripes and a
why,
Peter
but I'd
Pan
had to
collar.
forbid him from
Cuban
going
heat.
into town where non-magical people might see him and freak out.
I've noticed a few discrepancies in my flower design.
Ah, so he had been thinking about design. He was just bad at it. What kind of discrepancies? I felt a familiar foot step down on the walkway leading to Ivy House's front door. It was Austin, the enormous, vicious polar bear shifter, who'd recently accepted the #1 position on the Ivy House Council. He'd also finally staked his claim as alpha of our town and 2 of those surrounding us, a job he'd been doing without credit for years. He'd only held the new post for a matter of months, and already crime was down by 75% in the new towns he had a presence in. No one wanted to mess with him, which made me that much happier that he was on my side. Austin's path changed. He was now coming around the house, headed for me. Maybe he was beginning to feel people's positions on Ivy House's property, something everyone else with Ivy House magic could do. Butterflies danced in my stomach a little, the sensation followed by a burst of guilt. Ivy House had given Austin the ability to draw my magic out, something he was excellent at, given his natural talent for coaxing out the best in people, and my magic had been increasing in leaps and bounds. So, the little joke I'd pulled on him yesterday, using my new ability for explosions to create a small blast next to him